think I can find a way to cheat.
Oh my gosh, shoot. Oh yeah, we're just going to take it a detour. Taking it.
Yeah. Just don't worry about us. Yeah, so we're equal. Just
Swear to goodness. Oh no, it's not. I'm proud of you. Oh, that cutback was nasty. What was that noise? It's fine, dude.
closer. Get closer. Now switch. No. Don't switch. Don't switch. Go switch. No. Switch. No.
What about Heth?
Well, yes, she does, but
you're not gonna tell me because you're just all giggly pants.
okay, she's Cinderella. Listen, she's Cinderella.
And you're
Right. Prince
what's
Charming.
his face? Oh, I thought. Okay, sorry, that wrong movie. I thought you were like the Beast, whatever. Wrong movie, my bad. Wrong movie. My bad.
Either that, or she's called Time. Like she has a nickname, so she's called by her friends or something. But I don't.
What about Lil Torch? What about Lil Torch?
And I feel like if
Marcus, stop singing.
live this life without you, and even though
He's freaking.
I can't tell you all the time. My life.
Shut up!
Oh, holy crap!
That shut you off.
That did show me. Oh my god. Baby, I can't tell you all the
Stop.
time.
Don't make me shut you up again. Please don't.
Oh, baby,
Shut up! You singing bad luck.
The movement of the whale was like so fast. Yo, I jumped over you! Oh. Dude.
This is not gonna end well. I'm on the opposite side of the road. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Okay. I jumped over a car.
Did you see that?
You soared like an eagle, dude. You soared. Hold on, I'm saving that clip. You know? Oh, frick me. Oh, what do you mean? Okay. Oh, you big boy, quick. I'm going.
He said, I'm going.
He came out of nowhere, my guy. You never heard that?
No.
The thingamajig wasn't jigging, you know? Oh frick, that's the wrong guy! Dude, I was gonna throw Griggles.
Now you're just gonna somehow score this by yourself. Oh. Like I said.
A pterodactyl reached. It literally sounded like a pterodactyl. First good pass you played, dude.
I saw you and I just kicked it to you.